All right, guys, I'm back in the creeks today. I've been out of the country for about a month and just got back home Friday evening. This is Sunday evening. Thought after church I would run off down here in the creek, maybe look around. And I just stepped off the bank and I think I got one right here. Let's pull this dude and see. Yeah, let's clean it up a little bit. And it is. Looks like the base maybe broke off just a little, but hey, it's a point. First day back in the creek, first point. All right, guys, I moved to another creek, and I do believe I got one right here in the water. Not for sure, but it sure looks like one. Can you see it? Right there. It looks like it may be a smoker. Let's get it out here and see. And it is. Oh, yes. Wash it up just a little more. Yes, that's a good one. All right, guys, we're back in the creeks today. I've come up the creek probably 50 or 60 yards, maybe 70. I think I got my first one right here in the water. Get that dude out and see. Oh, yes. Looks to be a pretty good smoker too. Got a little damage on the base right here. All right, I'm in the creeks again today. We got a rain last night. Rained about all night, but we still didn't get the bank washers. And as you can see, there's a lot of leaves in the creeks. But sometimes it don't take but even a small rain to uncover stuff. And I got some color right here. This looks to be a point in the water. We're gonna pull it and see, but this looks like to be my first point. It's sure showing some promising colors. Let's get it out of here and see. Ooh, yes, look at here. That is a nice one. I will take them like that all day. It's probably about 3.5 inches. Well, we're back in the creeks again today, guys. We've had a little rain, and I think I've walked up on my first point right here on this little rock bar. Let's pull this dude and see. Ooh, yes. Look at this little guy. That's a little smoker. We'll take it. Maybe we'll find another one here soon. Well, I'm a little further on down the creek, and I believe I got another one right here in the water. This is point number 2. You can see it here. Let's get it out and see. Oh, yes. That is a nice one. All right, guys, we're back in the creeks today. I come up this river. I hadn't seen a whole lot. Been a lot of ice here lately, so we just now been able to get back in creeks. But I think I got my first one right here. I got something. I know it's worked. Right here. Let's pull it and see. And it is. Kind of rough. But hey, it's a point. All right, guys, I've been in the creeks This afternoon. Didn't find too much. Found a few pieces of flint and stuff. Found this little dude right here. But anyway, I come up back out in the fields, and you can see these fields are not even cut up. But I want you to look what I just walked up on. Let's pull it and check this dude out. Oh, it's nice. Let me clean it up just a little. Super thin. Well, we'll scramble out here a little bit more and see what else we can find. Alright guys, we're back in the creeks again today, and I just reached down to pick up one right here. As you can see, it's broke. And while I was looking at it, look right here what I just found. And I think it's got an ear broke off of it, but it does. It has an ear broke off of one side. Alright guys, I just cut my camera off and I just looked over and I think I got a drill right here. And it is. It's got the tip broke. But it is a drill. Well, we'll get back to you if we find something else. Alright guys, it's a few minutes later, and I looked here and I think I got the tip of one sticking out right here, but I'm not for sure. We're gonna pull it and see. And it is. And it is a point. Let me clean it up just a little bit.